SB19 to rock Taipei main station. Big update on Netflix for pagtatag docufilm. So once again 18, you are right. SB19 has confirmed that their busking in Taiwan will happen at the Taipei main station today, June 27, 6:30 p.m. Sigurado na yan, SB19 will once again make an impact at nakaka-excite lang isipin ang magiging reaction ng mga Taiwanese locals, lalo na ang mga nahatak nila sa Hito Pop Music Awards 2025. On the other hand, Netflix official Facebook page with 102 million followers has officially posted about SB19, "Legends aren't born, they're made. Follow the hustle and the hype of P-pop group SB19 on pagtatag the documentary arriving July 23 on Netflix." So here's the big update. Pagtatag docufilm will be shown not just in the Philippines but worldwide. So be sure to subscribe on Netflix and tap the remind me button on pagtatag the documentary.
Hindi mo lang kami tapos ilang libo yung nanonood sa amin.
Kailangan mo lakasan yung loob.